boys and girls. Okay, today we are going to learn about dividing into equal groups of 3. And that is multiplying by 3. So we're going to look at these discs and we're going to pretend they're crackers. But before that, something that I think would help you is remember back to our morning gatherings how we would count by 5s, we'd count by 25s, we'd count by 10s, we'd count by 2s. Well, today I want you on your own to practice counting by 3s because that will help you with the multiplying by 3. So I'm going to show you what I mean. Okay, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. If you can practice doing that a few times this week, I think it will really, really help you. Okay, so after this video, I'm going to have you look at the chart that is also on the Google Classroom. So you're going to do a couple things after the video. But first, let's look at my discs, which are in a smiley face. Did you get that? And we are pretending they are crackers. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to give 5 kids 3 crackers each. So if I give one child 3 crackers, that would be 3. If I give 2 children, 2 different kids, 3 crackers, that would be 6. Or 2 times 3 is 6. If I give 3 kids 3 crackers each, how many have I given them? 9. 3 times 3 is 9. And if I give 4 kids, how many have I given the kids total? I've given 4 kids 3 crackers to equal 12. And then the last one we're going to do is, let me scoot these down. We're going to do 5. So this is my 5th row, and there's 3 in each column, and that would be 15. Did you notice that it really was just counting by 3s? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 groups times 3 is 6. 3 groups times 3 is 9. 4 groups times 3 would be 12. And 5 groups times 3 would be 15. That's what it is. It's multiplying by 3 or dividing equal groups of 3. Okay, so now I want you to look at the lesson worksheet. Lesson worksheet 120. We'll do that next. So now I want you to look at lesson worksheet 120 and look at the first box, and it says fill in the products. Now, when we talk about multiplication, we say it's the product. It's not the answer, it's the product, okay? Just like addition is the sum and subtraction is the difference. This is the product. And this goes in order, so it's really just counting by 3s. 0 times 3 is 0. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. You'll keep counting up by 3s all the way. 9 groups of 3 is 27. So now you have them all in order for you. And you can look back on that as a reference as you work with this for the first time. Number 2 says match the problems to the answers. Okay, if you can't remember what 3 times 3 is, go ahead and look back in group 1. Okay, think about the answer in your head and then find the answer and make the line connect. Okay, and I know we've done some of this too, so I think you'll be fine on that. And the last thing that you are to do is fill in the missing factors. A factor in multiplication means one of the numbers is missing. Okay, we called it an add-in when we were talking about addition. This is multiplication, and we use the word factor. Again, use box 1 to help you. What times 3 equals 6? If you're having a hard time thinking of that in your head, go back up and look at box number 1 to help you. Okay, and fill that out. Okay, that is our introduction into multiplying by 3 facts. The other thing I want you to do is your fact homework 120. And it is where you pretend like you're the teacher, and it's going back to the multiplying by twos. Here it is right here. And you will circle anything that is wrong. Okay? And the last thing I want you to do, boys and girls, is look at the chart. It should be in your Google Classroom right here in the video. Look at the chart that I made, and in your mind, read the chart and fill in those last numbers, because it's actually showing the crackers and the different groups, and I want you to fill those in out loud. Say the numbers that would come next. Okay, I hope that makes sense, boys and girls. You're going to do great. Thanks.